Okay, this is coordination.
Now watch it very closely. He goes faster and faster.
Now it develops into what I call a bullet ricochet, where you just throw it and you continually increase your speed and continue to increase your hand quickness.
You realize the speed that thing is going? Hold it, Pete. It gets me nervous. Every time he does that, it gets me nervous.
Makes me nervous, too. What I call the knee clap. An object of this is to put the ball behind your knees. I'm going to drop the ball, just drop it, clap my hands in front, and try to catch the ball before it hits the ground. You have to utilize a lot of quickness on this drill. It's almost an emotion drill for me because I have to concentrate a great deal. So I'll try to get this. I'll do this a couple times.
That's beautiful.
String this. And you go into what I call the thigh clap. What I'm going to do here is throw the ball about 5 or 6 feet in the air. I'm going to clap my thighs once, catch it behind my back, twice, and so on up to 10.
Go ahead.
I'm going to try to get to 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Notice how he watches the ball.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How do you like that?